Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the Hebrew alternate calendars on the iPhone 13 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Calendar. Then go down and tap on Alternate Calendars. And then tap on Hebrew, and then after that swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now if you open up the calendar app, you can see underneath the main calendar the day number. You can see there is the Hebrew calendar underneath. So the top is your standard calendar and below that is your alternate calendar. And that's it. So now if I go back into settings and choose off, you can see that in my calendar I will now have a standard calendar with the dot underneath to show the event for that particular day. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.